Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dominic. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2018 18 plate Jaguar XE Sport. Now, lovely car finished in Santorini Black Metallic, which is a very desirable colour for these cars. R Sport, meaning you get the sportier body kit on this one, so the more pronounced front and rear bumpers, nice LED daytime running lights. We've got the R Sport badges to the sides, sportier seats, different steering wheel. Hopping in one of these, you've got a sense of occasion. Now, we're riding on these lovely 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. Fantastic ride quality to those. Condition-wise, you can tell the previous owners truly cherished the car in their years of ownership. All the bodywork, paintwork's in very nice order throughout. Lovely mirror finish there. No signs of any sort of dents or dings. R Sport styling again. We've got this nice little boot lip spoiler, nice lower diffuser, rear parking sensors. Looking through to the boot, we've got our AdBlue just to the side there. Nice big boot on these. We've got a Space Saver spur wheel, which is a nice factory option. You don't get that as standard. Normally it's your tyre inflation kits. So wheels in there with all the kit to change it. Looking down the driver's side, again, bodywork, paintwork, superb order. Alloys are all in superb condition and riding on really nice tyres. Inside then, there's a sense of occasion, as I mentioned. We've got this lovely dual tone interior. So we've got ebony black with the oyster light leather in the centres, perforated just to allow the seat to breathe. Isofix in the bottom for our child seats. We've got 3 seat belts, nice central armrest with 2 cup holders. Jumping in the back, we've got vents, so you get the full benefit of climate control, air conditioning. You've got a 12 volt power outlet in the bottom there as well. Ideal for charging your phones whilst you're in the back. Now we've got these plastic back covers with the netting. As you can tell, they're in very nice order. They've not been kicked, scratched. The netting's all intact, it's not been stretched out. And then just poking our head through into the cabin, it looks superb. Lots of piano black detailing, lots of bright silver inserts, leather on the dashboard, lovely contrasting stitch everywhere. They look superb. Now, this is the automatic. It's an 8-speed auto, very smooth gearbox, an absolute delight to drive. Quickly, just before I jump in, I'll show you the bolsters on the seats. They are in superb order. And then jumping inside, we'll just slide the seat back a smidge so you can get a full appreciation. So, once you're inside, leather multifunction steering wheel with the R Sport detailing on here. We've got our limiter, we've got voice command, Bluetooth phone, volume and media controls. That's all on there. Being the auto box, you've got the flappy paddles as well on the steering wheel. We've got 4 electric windows with the child lock at the bottom. Automatic lights, automatic wipers. As we're doing the video today, the vehicle has only covered a mere 47,802 miles. No lights on the dashboard. Had the chance to drive this car myself. It drives very, very well. Coming through then to the center screen, you've got these buttons down the sides. Pressing through, we've got our DAB radio, so all the extended channels. Pressing back through, climate control is a dual zone climate, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. You've got heated front seats on this one as well. Very nice and easy to operate. Fantastic for those colder winter mornings. We've got Bluetooth phone, as you'd expect, Bluetooth music streaming, satellite navigation. Now, all of these cars come with sat-nav pre-wire. Not all of them have the sat-nav SD card. So when you're looking to buy one of these, make sure it's got the sat-nav SD card, as they can be quite spendy. Low friction launch, so if you get in mud rut, sand, that helps you get out of any situation. In control applications, eco data, valet, screen off, that's all on there. You've got the sport mode on the gearbox. You've got all your drive select, so dynamic, normal, eco and all terrain. Traction control, auto stop start, central cup holders. You've got your electric parking brake there. Central armrest is in very nice order, and within there you'll find aux, USB and a 12-volt power outlet. But a lovely car, so doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets, no weird odours. All the buttons inside are in nice order. Where you tend to get scratches on the piano black detailing on the bright silver bits, you can tell it's been very well looked after. So, if you'd like anything further on the car, if you'd like some part exchange prices, some finance quotes, please do get in touch. We can happily get those for you. On sales, there's myself, Dominic, there's my colleague Lee and Graham, so any one of us would be happy to help you. But thank you for watching, and we'll look forward to your inquiry.